Today, we're installing a brand new exhaust from our Dodge Challenger. Let's go take a look. After getting those cool shots of my car, it's time to lift my car so we can start the process. So he started by taking off the bumper because Dodge is weird and they make things more complicated. So he started taking that off and then started with the exhaust. While he did that, I set up all the new pieces for the exhaust. Tell me why there was like 500 different pieces. Then after that, I decided to play Clash Royale. This is how it ended up.
The next morning.
Finally, after hours, we got this out.
Many tic-tacs later.
At this point, it's been a few hours now, and we finally got this entire part out.
Next morning.
We finally got this off. After that, I decided to turn the car on with no exhaust on. This is how loud it was. Okay, now it's a few days later and we finished putting the exhaust in. Look how beautiful that is. Let's go turn it on. Now let's go test drive the car. Now that I have this exhaust, I feel like I joined the Fast and Furious crew, not gonna lie. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.